Hi guys, I'm Arleo. Welcome to the Kitchen Drink, where we're raiding your fridges and making some delicious crafty cocktails. Today I'm here with Jess. I'm sorry, this is Jess. This is Sadie. How are you doing, Jess?
Good.
Why don't you tell us a little bit about what you like to drink?
Well, normally I'll drink like beer or cheap wine. If I'm drinking a mixed drink, it's usually vodka and something sweet, or tequila and something sweet.
So I'm hearing sweet. Cool. Well, Sadie, what do you like to drink?
Water.
Oh, yes. Good. Smart choice. I'm gonna go raid your fridge, see what I can make. Nothing for the little doggy because you're too young to drink alcohol. See you in a bit. So a quick look in this fridge shows we have a minor problem. There is almost nothing in here, but that's okay. We have just enough to play with, starting with an 805, then some tonic water, looks really old. Then we're moving up to the freezer, where there's these tiny bottles of vanilla vodka. Off to the pantry where we find our sweetener, some honey. First we're going to reduce the beer down and mix it with the honey to make a beer reduction syrup. Use that as the base sweetener. Add the vodka, which is supposed to be 2 ounces, but when measured to my jigger, it's only about 1.8, so getting a little ripped off there. Top off with the tonic water and give it a quick stir. This cute little hourglass kind of makes up for the lack of garnish. I would probably use a lemon twist or a lime twist to go with the tonic water in here. And let's see what Jess thinks of this drink. Alright, no more playtime. It's drink time. Here you go.
Thank you.
So, tell me what you think.
That's really good. Definitely drinkable.
Ooh, I aim for drinkable.
Tastes almost melony. It's sweet but kind of subtle.
Do you have any guesses for what's in there?
I'm gonna guess tonic water because it's about the only mixer in there.
Yeah, there wasn't much in your fridge, so yeah. I feel like this makes the guessing part really easy.
Yeah, I'm gonna say probably vodka. Again, not many options there. And sugar.
You really need to restock your fridge, by the way. Well, you ready to find out what's in there?
Yeah.
Cool. You were right about the tonic water. It is one of, I guess, 2 mixers in your fridge right now. It's about at least a week old. There are no bubbles in here. All it really added was that slight bitter sweetness. You said vodka? You were half right. Tiny vanilla vodkas. Goes with this tiny little person. It's absolute vanilla. May not be pronouncing that right. So this also adds a little bit of sweetness and obviously the booze aspect of your drink. You said sugar. I went a little bit further. IPA honey reduction syrup. I took your last stone, unfortunately, cooked it down till it was about 1/3 the volume, and added some honey. This adds more of that bittersweet play that was already present in the tonic water. Adds some hoppiness, adds some earthiness. What do you think?
It's delicious.
Cool. Is it sweet enough for you?
Definitely.
I know there's a little bit of bitter in there, so.
No, it's great.
Cool. Alright guys, so that was Jess's kitchen drink, where we put in everything but the kitchen sink. Remember to drink responsibly. See you later. Bye! Oh, he's such a sleepy baby.
My beer.
Oh my god. She's blacked out.
Oh no, I'm just gonna take this over.
Yeah, you're cut off.
Literally just take this up and put it down or do I have to
It's up to you. It depends on how it actually is. There we go. Cool. Oh.